morning and evening and afternoon, wherever you are joining me at this hour. So, welcome to another video looking at how the stock picks for 2024 has performed in a masterclass of Invest Data. We had a masterclass in Q1, Q2, and Q3, how the stock are performed and how also we can relate it with what seasonality and market timing. I will tell you that market timing is very, very important in any market you are trading. Whether you are trading cryptocurrency, you are trading FX, you are trading commodity, anything you are trading, timing is very, very important, and also seasonality. And that's why that volatility in any market creates opportunity to make money. And also this market dynamics I've said, always that you must understand the market dynamics and also the big picture of the market. They are very, very important when it comes to what equity investment. And yes, we look at how market has performed in the last third quarter. Already yes, we know that Q1, Q2 has been concluded as a quarter, but Q3 is still on. By the end of September 30th, there will be the end of Q3. Then, but as to speak now, I want to see how stock picks for these different quarters has performed, especially investor stock picks that performance in Q1, Q2, and so far in Q3. How those stocks that were picked, how they have performed, how investors that have participated in these programs have benefited from it, or traders. Because I tell you that in any event or any of our training that you attend, what matters is that it's taking action. Because if you didn't take action, it's as better as you are not there. But when you take action, I'll tell you your portfolio will not remain the same. And also, I calculated that nobody has 100% control of the market. Market will do what you want to do at the right time. But the ability for you to know that yes, that every market direction has about 50% influence on the general market or other market performance or sectors. And that is why people that have followed me on, I said that the general market direction have about 50% impact on prices, while that of sector has about 30%, and the corporate performance where you are has also as 20%. That means when you see positive market direction, or see sector policy sector pattern and the company doing well, you see they are about to have a good bumper for that period or for that year. That's why you must not look away from all this. That as you're looking at market, look at what is the market direction. Is it a general uptrend, or market is a trending, or is it a down market? When market is on uptrend, you see they will call it either a markup, anything you want to call it. At that time, you see that stocks are going high, and most people said, in a bull market, so that the market, say someone is a bullish market, you must say that market have returned about 20% and above. The market is a bearish market, and the market have also been down like 20% and above. But when you say market is trending, that market, even the market operators, the regulators, all will be confused because there's no activities, there's no volatility. Because buy low, sell high is the beauty of any market you are trading, because we are all there to make money. That's why price is king. In any market, price is king. Buying at the right price and selling at the right price is very, very important. That's why every trader or investor must have what investment objective or goal before entering up, so that when you're out of objective, you know your buy range, you know your profit target, and when you achieve that, you don't need to look at everything that is going up of that. No, you take away your profit because you have a goal. Because especially your source of fund, your objective, all will guide you to know what kind of stock you should play and kind of industry you should play. And for me, that's why I say this hour, as you are looking forward to see another investor coming up, another investor masterclass coming up on the 28th of September. You will say it's not the end of the quarter. The quarter is going to end on Monday, but we want to take advantage of what has happened within, from the first day of the quarter to that 28th, which is Friday. That's 28th. We have only just one day left in the month of your Monday. But we want to take advantage and see that we can start positioning for the last quarter of the year. But I said that seasonality and that comes the end of the year is enormous. We have seen that those seasonality and patterns has repeated itself enormously in different years, and that will not be kind of a total departure from what we're expecting to see in 2024 last quarter of the year, because we have seen what is happening in much of the economy as one point to what really what we call that push flow of funds is really interest rate, and both these big market economy or central banks have come to end of the cycle of rate hike. We have seen it all over. Then all eyes is on on the Fed to do the same. One thing that I'll tell you that will change the dynamics of the market globally, and that has also to impact a emerging market like ours. That means you have to position right away. That's why the common masterclass is a class that you must not miss, so that you can also partake and also harvest what others are harvesting from this market. Despite the ups and downs in the market, we have seen that yes, the market started here on a very bullish note. You can see that's why I came up with this quarterly chart that we are seeing on display. If you look at this quarter chart, you can see that the movement is all this. I will tell you one of the best quarter in our market has been the second quarter, but in 2024, so that second quarter was not the best, but saw a pullback, because you can see what the first quarter alone returned. can see that it was a big candlestick you see here. We're not surprised seeing what pullback. Correction is part of the market. These are the market dynamics that create opportunity. That's why I say, as we are entering the last quarter of the year, you are seeing that first quarter and second quarter and third quarter are already looking down. It is that it creates opportunity for what to buy, because we are seeing that markets have rallied and most stocks are still going down. And that's why we are seeing that most of them are still closing on their value, because this uptrend we are seeing here was appreciation of most of the high cap price stocks that appreciated, that moved this market up here, also drag some blue chips and other local stuff up. But now most of the results that are coming to the market have shown that most of the blue chips and also local stock have seen performance that will turn their performance. Then if you are looking at the index alone, you will be confident that yes, market is on that, but opportunity is being created by this market coming down for 2 quarters. You can see Q2 and Q3 on the pullback in the southward direction. That there's opportunity coming forward for the last quarter of the year, and that's why you must take advantage of it to be in the class, so that those stocks that will be picked, will be part of them or partake. Don't forget I said timing and seasonality play a major role in price movement, and that's why sector rotation remains a key and portfolio reshuffling remains a key. Why? Because as you are seeing, you must not hold a stock, because stocks are not one that you marry. You see opportunity, you can exit and move. And also government policy, either monetary or physical, as it also influencing sectoral performance. You have to look at it. Also, company that is going to acquisition, merger, or also company that also entering a new business that is very lucrative. You should know this. These are the things that also kind of influence your decision on what to do. But if you look at the market now, you can see that on a quarterly basis, market is still relatively strong, because it's trading above what? Above the T line. The T lines are our red line here. You can see that we have other exponential moving average here. We have the 12 moving average. We have also the simple moving average of the green one, which is 35. We can also have the moving average of also around 20. You can see different moving average. You have for 12 exponential. You have for 20 also here. You can see that all of them here. But the one that we use here is T line, which is 8 days there. 8 days moving exponential. On a quarterly basis, market is strong. You quickly come and look at what that market also done on the monthly basis. On the monthly basis, the market is trying to also to resist decline with the last candlestick we are seeing here. Because that this is strong support level for on a monthly chart. But because the market tested the T line in the last month of August, but it went up again. You can see that market is resisting this can this one different time frame we're looking at now. Now you can see that market still remain above the T line. Market is relatively strong. But if you look at other indicators, say the market also relatively weak, because you can see that MACD is always looking down gradually, but the histogram has confirmed that market is also coming down. You can see that histogram is what is descending, and also money flow is very important. It's also looking down to read about 64 on a monthly chart. These are the things I need to observe. But look at general market. General market is relatively strong on a monthly chart. But if you go to a weekly chart and see what is the strength of the market on a weekly chart, the market has kind of broke down the strong support level, but still form what we call a hammer. That hammer ushered in the second week here, that last week there where we saw the market rebound. But today, this week under review, market have been also trying to resist a decline. But put it that we are seeing that after market have pulled back for 2 weeks, we saw a rebound, which also closed the month of August marginally down. But now the first week of September, like I said, September is a very dicey market like August. But I'm not surprised that I was seeing the first week of September kind of oscillating, and which is expected, because this is a month that usher in the earning season, the Q3 earning season in the month of October, and also that usher in the last quarter of the year, which I know this last quarter of the year has a lot of opportunity for investors to make money, understanding where to be and where to stay, and also how to go about investing. Is very why knowledge is key. That's why three things that you need to stay ahead of the market is one, having the right information, having the right tools, and having the right mindset. Another key thing that is very, very important is that in this market, one thing is two things is also very, very important that you must have at the end of the day. So I will admit that yes, you must be patient, you must be disciplined. These are the things that will help you to stay focused in this market. Another thing will be going up and down. That's why knowledge is key, and I think that also knowledge applied or knowledge put into use is that key. And that's why I said at the common master class, you're not only going to pick stock, you're also to get that knowledge. That knowledge will help you to make decisions on what to say. Go into the future. Our investors were out there to continue to guide investors on how to trade profitably in this market, in any market direction, in any market cycle. It's very, very important that we share this. And you can see that on the weekly chart, market is also trying to resist decline. That's why I say this month of September, we're going to see a mixed market. But if you look at money flow is a bit stable above 50. on a weekly chart, which is also for me is a good one. But if you look at the momentum indicator, which is MACD, the market is weak. If you come and look at it, they can see that the market is weak, but still because it's trading well below the signal line. But look at it, it's almost coming up here, but start coming down again. But it's a good sign that was that you can see the start coming going up here. If market going to ascend and cross this signal line and crossover, that is a sign of what a breach market. And please a weekly chart. Like you can see that here, show you that market is weak on a weekly chart. That's why I must let you know so that you know that. But good news that market is still trying to resist decline, but selling below the T line on the weekly chart. You can see that the red line, the candlestick is below the T line. But finally, we look at a day chart. Because this is not a live chart, we can't look at 1 hour chart. But look at the daily chart here for the index. You can see that yes, the market has formed what we call a declining. Let me draw it so I can understand what I'm saying. This is what we call a declining triangle. It's also a sorry. Let me make it so I can understand it. It's part of the candle chart pattern that we use to design where the market is going. You can see here, can come over here. Okay, let me make it straight. I want you to understand it first. That it will be good for us. Let's take it here. This is what called a descending triangle. That's it here. For me, I see that market is within there. As market is either a breakout here or a breakdown here. That's why I say let me show it. And this is for what? For a daily chart. But the good news is that on a daily chart, what the money flow is looking up. That means once in the market, you can see that here, then above the T line, and can see from here, probably what we saw on the previous day, the money flow was down. On Friday, the market gain. We will see also more demand for stocks on Friday. You can see that this is a sign that we should also watch in the market. Also, MACD is also relatively, bullish on the daily chart. I think that this is the trend I want to consider. For goods that you can see that it started coming down, but as at Friday, Thursday, and Friday, you can see that they're almost the same. It's more than determine whether it is a breakout here or a continued downtrend. But you can see from what we are seeing here, you can already see that the MACD is going to continue. Because after pullback small, it has come up again. Looking at this red line and also the green line. For me, there's no cause for alarm in the market, but we need to invest what intelligently and also follow the market direction. But before I round up the class, I quickly look at those performance that I've mentioned earlier for stocks that were picked by investors. If you look at this table here, and this table here explains what happened in the stocks that were picked for the first master class that was done on the 1st of January. That doing and also the one also followed on the 30th of April of March, and also the last one that was conducted on the 29th of June. And we're looking forward to do the last quarter of the year for this fourth quarter coming up September. But performance of this stock pick in this quarters are very, very important. Don't forget that investors will use our own strategy by targeting 90 days to see what investor can get from the market. We only target what to be above inflation. And most of the stock that will promise that they give 100%, they did, even within the period that we have given that kind of forecast. Then I will tell you, if you look at the first master class for the year 2024, ICO and the Unity Bank, in the advert or kind of in the promo, say that they're going to give you 100%. The two stock to target for 100%, which I believe that most people that participated were the smart to the bank. Looking at the performance for the first quarter, so that yes, ICO gave the market investors about almost 86.4% before pulling back, and the odd ICO was targeting 100%, but they didn't get there. But for Unity Bank, we surpassed our target of 100%. We made about 118% for that period. Transcorp was another stock that we didn't even target 100%. Our target was 50%, but the market gave us the performance of the stock gave us about for those that are in that stock, the time we sell a lot. It's almost around the 17 naira. But for those that are lucky able to sell at 20 naira, I think are also very important that we should have in mind. And you can see the percentage of return. These are the current price of this stock as at the close of business on Friday, September 6th. But this was the gains for that 90 days from expectation. But on average, we'll add about 88.34% from masterclass peak, which we cannot get anywhere in the world. You can see that on average return, we have done well. Also, if you look at the high and lows of this stock for that period, look at the buy rate also, you can see this period You can see what the market have returned and what investor also has smart back. And what is that you must know follow us. Investor will don't follow bad wagon. We practice what we preach. When we say buy range, we say target. When we say target, we say sell. When some say sell, some also be more money. Why do you want to say price to go to go? It's your own personal decision. That you have a target and we are picking it. We have also the exit price. And that's why we have come here to let you know this is the performance of what all the stock that will pick within 90 days, not for the first quarter of 2024. Then the second quarter of the we saw also that in first quarter of the we saw the market galloping, we saw the market on the northward movement. That also reflected on the performance. Like I tell you that the general market has impact on what on individual stocks or general sector. You can see it on this performance of these stocks. For you must also have this at the back of your mind. But in Q2, although Q2 one of the best quarter in the market, that where people take advantage of the first quarter result and also full year. For Q2 2024, we saw a kind of a deviation, a kind of a slowdown because of what change in policy and market expectation, not only in Nigeria, as also high interest rate that came in February in the nation, we saw CBN hiking rate that also put fear in equity market. Don't forget that anywhere in the world where there is high interest rate, equity market suffer, and that is why in the month of what the month in the second quarter of the year, we saw that the market slowed down, and that reflected also on our peaks. But good thing is that at the end of the day, we have an average return of 21.47%. But you can see ICO for the period return about 15.7, and that of Chams also touched aside. You can see look at the price, the touch high and the low, and look at the way you choose all this stuff. You can see that even at the end of the day, see what they are closing for yesterday. But you can see the return they've done within that 90 days forward the second quarter of the year. But at the end of the day, we saw an average return in 90 days of what of 21.47 for there. That is also you need to understand why is it that you must understand when to move out of a stock. That's why portfolio reshuffling and sector rotation is a very continuous activities in the market, especially for active trader and investor that are deciding to know what to do at the right time. Looking at numbers that are coming, looking at government policy to guide you where you should put your attention. As that's why government masterclass, this are what we discuss. That's why we are bringing experts in the market, those that have done it and those that are doing it, and those that have protected for the market, that are still trading actively in the market, also to guide us and also share knowledge on how to take advantage of all the 90 days in 2020, the last 90 days in 2024, 2024, which is coming from October to the end of the year. Now, finally, we look at the quarter we are in. That is the 10th quarter of the year. You can see that in that masterclass, we also promote that stock that give us 100% return. There are two then. If you remember, I mentioned Wando and Dangote Sugar in the class. And for those that also were following on the advert, they came to see what are those stocks, which also those stocks are Wando and Dangote. And out of them, one of them disappointed us, and we know because of market perception towards the delay in Dangote Sugar and Nascom and Rice listing or coming up with a new name and all those stuff. That has been about. I tell you, this is an opportunity at the price they are selling. That's why I said the pullback was saying this 2 quarter an opportunity for us to positioning for ahead of the last quarter of the year. But you can see that for one that people are particularly in the class, we pick one as the first in that category in our range. As we speak now, we're not talking of other stores that have meet target in all this quarter that I've just mentioned. But I'll tell you, these are the key ones that we choose. But other ones that are we call them an alternative of stocks to watch, also defensive stock. Most of them hit their target. But for this quarter that we're under now, apart from the ones we are seeing there, the life of the Las Vegas, Presco and Veritas and others have hit their target, and also we are still to mention them. Even Okomu is also on that category. Total is also all these ones have hit our target. But for these are the key stocks that we're looking at for this quarter that are in our first pick that will say that where you can make capital appreciation. These are for capital appreciation. While others are for stocks to watch for defensive stock that you put your portfolio to balance your portfolio so that you will not be just only for those that want to trade. At times the market go against you. What is also to support you. That's why we always give those defensive stock to go with these 5 stocks. But that because of our time, we didn't come up with those 5 defensive stock also. But looking at for Wando, that was one of the promise to Wando will give you 100%. But as we speak now, the quarter is at about almost more than how many days to round up the quarter. See what we have done is its own. It has given us a good return. Of this, we have nothing less than around more than 23 days to round up this month or to end the 90 days. But what we have returned even 3 times what the 100%, almost 4 times. As we speak now, one we have returned about 487.724 investors. This stock has touched as high as what as 93 from a low of this for the year, but we can see the price range for those that attend master class. You can see the range we put. Some are still that bought at 20 naira, that even though calling me, I say go ahead and buy, even at 19 naira, 18 naira. You can see it here. That the price that yesterday was 81 naira 40 kobo. See the return you have done, even at this with current price in the market. If you know when it touched 93, you now know up to have gone more than 500 in less than what? In less than 90 days. Also, Dangote Sugar that also in that category also have a loss of what? 10.38% for the period. And NACO also for the period also returned just only 13 points. But after NACO have touched, and if you have taken NACO at the price of 90, it have more than this. But because we are targeting now around the 34, because the stock have touched almost 39 before pulling back to the current price. If you have taken a profit around this place, because they have not hit our target, we didn't give sell alert for NACO. But NACO is a stock to hold and a stock to also to watch. Then also the life of veterans. Veterans have also deliver value and also do that target market. Said our target price was 50, which also when it hit that 50, we said sell a lot. Today now it's also selling what at 1 naira 40. Even at 1 naira 40, it's also a gain of what of 80 point what. So that means those that are sold at what as well make your target of almost 100%. Also for the period, you can see the buy range here. For me, there's no cost for alarm in this market when you invest with knowledge. Yes, if I don't get it 100%, or but when you understand the market, you have knowledge, you know how to work to trade a turbulent market, even when the most volatile market, you know how to navigate and also stay ahead of the market. On the average, I see that the market has returned 114.6 per day. This is average in less than 90 days. You can see that the masterclass participants are really smart to the bank, even those that are also in buy and sell signal, which wanted also to guide. I will tell you that once that in this market that nobody has 100% of the market, but if you invest with knowledge, do your market timing and also do your rotation, use of what technical, fundamental, and sentiment analysis, I will tell you will be on the winning side. All the game in anywhere in the market that let your winning side be more than your losing side. Once you're able to achieve that, you are good to go. On this note, I'm inviting everyone in the class all over the world, wherever you are, to join the Common Master class on the 28th of September. We are also be sharing top to pick already things that we discussed there, also how to manage your portfolio in this higher volatile environment, and same time actionable trade and stocks. Actionable traded ideas and stock also will be shared. Potential effect of September MPC meeting and also seasonality in Q4 will also be discussed. Not only that, the key, the code for profitable investment with market timing will also be discussed. Why? Because you need to understand that code. Once you're able to understand the code and use that code, I will tell you you'll make money. You need to also know that how to also to stay ahead of market in 2025 and 2026 is very, very important. And also these are the things that we want to share in this class that is coming up on the September 28th. You need to be in that class, and I look forward to see you, because understanding the complete code for making money and predicting market turn. Why? Market turn is what making money, because you need to know when the market at the double top are also at the bottom, at the double bottom. You must understand the time. That's why candlestick is very, very key. And also we're going to do also in technical analysis in this class, because I tell you, if you want to go in and out, you must have to know how to effectively, not only combine your fundamental and your technical analysis and sentiment at all given time in any market cycle to make to stay ahead of the market and stay in profit. On this note, I'll say thank you. Look forward to see you in this master class coming out 28th of September. On this note, I'll say enjoy the rest of your trading day. Bye.